Imagine walking into a room, every head turning not because you're the tallest or shortest guy there, but because you own your style. Your suit fits like a second skin, making you look powerful, elegant, and in control. Want that feeling? Let's make it happen. Most suits are designed for men between 5 feet 10 and 6 feet tall, with a slim, athletic build. For most men on either side of those parameters, finding a suit in your local store that flatters you is challenging at best and nigh on impossible at worst. But that's about to change. What's up, neighbors? Today, this video is part of a new series on how to think about silhouette. And we start today with suits because the principles I will share are easier to spot on a suit compared to casual wear. By the end of this video, you will know how to configure a silhouette that flatters you best, how to get a good fit and balance your proportions so that you look your best every single time. So get rid of any distractions, have your notepad and coffee to hand. Let's take your style to the next level. You've probably heard the term fit is king, but actually fit is just the starting point. What really makes the outfit is the silhouette. Fit and silhouette are very close, sort of like twins separated at birth. But in essence, silhouette is the outline of your clothes. Silhouettes are a way you can use clothes to create a new body type, or to put it better, flatter the body type that you have. Whether that is slimming, elongating, or widening, whatever the augmentation, the end goal is to create a shape that looks good on you and makes you feel more stylish and confident. A craftsman must first understand his tools. So to choose the right suit and silhouette, you first have to understand the suit itself. So I'm going to give you some basic terminology you need to know. The A silhouette. This is a shape that features a narrower shoulder and a wider hip resembling the letter A. The X silhouette, characterized by balanced shoulders and hips with a defined waist forming an X shape. The Y silhouette. This shape has broader shoulders and narrower waist, and also the hips as well, akin to the letter Y. The I silhouette, featuring a straight line from the shoulders to the hips, resembling the letter I. Now let's talk about some specific features that you find on a suit jacket. The sleeve head is the upper part of a jacket sleeve where it meets the shoulder. It's the shape that affects the overall look of the shoulder line. It can be roped with a noticeable ridge along the top, natural with a slight ridge but a smooth transition, and bold with no ridge, creating a flatter appearance. Think of it as the finishing touch that defines the jacket's shoulder style. Bellied lapels and straight lapels. A bellied lapel has a slight outward curve along its edge, while a straight lapel maintains a clean, uncurved line. Bellied lapels were iconic in the bold, dramatic suits of the late 60s and 70s, famously worn by the Beatles and Mick Jagger. Though often subtle, a curved lapel gives a jacket a vintage feel, whereas a straight lapel gives you a clean, modern look. The buttoning point is where a jacket fastens and serves as its visual center. On a 2-button jacket, it's the top button. On a 3-button jacket, it's the middle one. Traditionally, it's placed at the waist, but in recent years, buttoning points have shifted higher as jacket hemlines have risen. Fronts, or quarters, refer to the part of the jacket that opens below the buttoning point. Open quarters curve backwards towards the hips, creating a more dynamic, stylish look. Closed quarters stay closed together for a more traditional, conservative appearance. The skirt is the lower part of the jacket, below the buttoning point. A flared skirt spreads out slightly, creating an X-shaped silhouette, broader shoulders, narrow waist, wider hem. A fitted skirt hugs the hips, resulting in a Y-shaped silhouette, broad shoulders with a straighter, tapered lower half. Just a quick stop, guys, to tell you about a really useful tool for elevating your style. To help you discover your unique style, I've designed the Style Archetype quiz. Taking the quiz will help you discover your unique style archetype, offering tailored fashion advice to elevate your wardrobe. It's an easy way to uncover styles that suit your personality, your body type, and lifestyle, helping you build a wardrobe that reflects your true self. By identifying your style, you can make smarter choices, feel more confident, and save time while shopping. So if you're looking to level up your style game, this quiz is a great starting point. There is a link in the bio and in the comments, so get involved right away. Now, back to the good stuff. Let's talk about drape. The term refers to how a jacket fits and hangs. Back in the early 20th century, a tailor named Frederick Schultz noticed that when you belted up a guardsman's coat, the chest became fuller and the waist tapered, giving a more athletic look. He used this idea in his suits to create a fuller chest and more structured shape. This became known as the drape cut. The drape cut was famously worn by Edward VIII, the Duke of Windsor, and it was spread throughout Hollywood and even into the zoot suit of the jazz era. Today, tailors like Anderson Shepherd still carry this style, and if you have seen Daniel Day-Lewis in the Phantom Thread, that's drape tailoring at its finest. On the other hand, the lean and clean style is a slim fit. It's tighter and sits closer to the body. This was popularized in the 2000s by designers like Dior and Saint Laurent, but also in brands like J. Crew and Patrick Johnson. At the end of the day, it's all about what works for your body. If you want a more classical, elegant look, go for the drape. If you prefer a modern, sharp edge, clean and lean is your move. Find the cut that makes you feel confident and look your best. It's called personal style for a reason. When evaluating a suit or sports jacket, it's important to consider how all the different elements come together to create an overall silhouette. Here are some key factors to keep in mind. Shoulders. How do the shoulders look? Are they soft or padded? The lapels. How are the lapels cut? Are they narrow or wide? Straight or curved? 3. The quarters and skirt. Are the quarters open or closed? Does the skirt of the jacket flare out or hug the hips? Is the jacket cut lean and clean or draped and shaped? The key takeaway here is suits come in a range of shapes, aka silhouettes. We've got the A silhouette, X silhouette, Y silhouette, and the columnar I silhouette. Think about the shape you want to achieve the next time you're shopping for suits. So today we've explored how silhouettes apply in the world of suits and tailoring. In my next video, I'll extend the discussion to how silhouettes can be expressed through casual wear. Remember, it's the details that separate the men from the boys when it comes to style. To make sure you don't miss it, hit the bell icon so you're notified when it drops. As always, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Really enjoyed creating that one. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, subscribe for plenty more videos to come, and I will catch you on that next one. Peace.